Okay, now this is part 4. We're going to take a look at worked example number 1. They give you this triangle here, ABC, with a parallel line DE across it, and then they say, can you find AD if you let AE equal 15? So what I like to do is write 15 in between A and E. EC is 6, so I put a 6 there, and DB is 4. Well, the story is, if you've got a parallel line cut across a triangle like this, it's parallel to the base, it divides them proportionally. That means AD over DB has to equal AE over EC. And all I do is, instead of DB and AE and EC, I put in the numbers that they gave me. AD over 4 equals 15 over 6. Then I take the 4 and multiply it by 15, solving for AD here. I get 60 divided by 6. AD is 20 units, and I've got to remember to write proportionality theorem because DE is parallel to BC. That's why we can use the proportionality theorem. Next question, kind of similar. They're asking for AB, but AB is alongside. They're asking for this alongside. They give you that AD is 9. They give you that the long side over here is 16. AC is 16, and AE is equal to 12. Well, this is like a long side with a short side. So I go AB over AD equals AC over AE. And then I just put in the numbers. AD was 9. AC is 16, the long side. AE is 12. And then I just solve. Multiply by 9, it cancels here. And 16 times 9 is 144 divided by 12. It's 12 units. And it's because the proportionality theorem in DE is parallel to BC allows you to use the proportionality theorem. And that's what you have to write. Let's take a look at the next question. If you've got you're supposed to determine here, you're supposed to find EC. You're given that AE is 16. There's your EC that you're supposed to find. You're given that AB is 11. And you're given that this little piece is 3. Well, to get at this little piece over here, one easy way to do it is I could figure out AD. If I know it's 11 all the way, and this piece is 3, that's got to be 8. 8 plus 3 is 11, or 11 minus 3 gives me this piece, AD. Well, then I can put the short side here. If this parallel line divides the triangle proportionally so that EC over 16 should equal this 3 over this 8. You see, this short side goes with this short side right there. They're proportional. And then we multiply by 16, and you just end up with EC, not AD. That part there should just be EC. And I could write it in just quickly right now rather than we look at it there and it scares us and we think that maybe there's something wrong. The answer is that this was supposed to be EC. EC equals EC, right? EC right there equals, because that's what we're looking at, must be 6 units. There you go. EC is equal to 16 times 3 over 8. That little piece EC, what we're looking for, is equal to 6 units. And you write proportionality theorem, DE is parallel to BC. And that's it. And that's how it works. It helps.